right, hey everybody, I'm going to just kind of walk you through how to do our manor map project. So if we look at the directions, it says you're going to create a map laying out how your manor would look during the Middle Ages. So you're essentially pretending that I'm giving you a fee for a piece of land, and you're going to create your own manor with that land. You're going to decide where the castle goes, where the barn goes, where the fields go, the pasture, the village, and all of those things, right? And so that's really the first thing you're going to do today is make your map, all right? So the list of things that have to go on your map are right here, all right? And then you're going to go down. You have the choice. You can either make this on Google Drawing or you can make this on Tinkercad. It's kind of up to you, right? So if I go to Manor Map, I'm going to make myself a copy here. So I'm going to hit make a copy. I'm going to put my last name. All right, and I'm going to hit Manor Map. All right, so in here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to think about where you would want to put all of these items, all right, that are going to go in your manor. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make my barn. All right, so, and I can do this a couple different ways. I can use shapes, all right, and I can say, all right, this is going to be my barn. I'm going to fill it with red, and I'm going to label it barn. All right, so I can do that, or I could do this a little differently. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger. I'm going to center it. Right? Or I could say, you know what? I'm going to insert image, search web. I'm going to look up a cow. All right. And maybe I'm going to use that, all right, as to stand for my barn. All right. Or use the cows for my pasture. So I can drag that over. All right. And maybe I'm going to put that in my pasture. All right, or I'm just going to use it to be my pasture, all right? I can use anything I want to represent what it is that I'm making, all right? So when you're all set, you're going to, just like we've done in the past, you're going to go to File, you're going to go to Download, and you're going to hit JPEG. And then you'll see it pop up over here like we've done before, and you'll be able to insert it in your Google Slides. So really today, you're going to be making your map with Google Drawings or Tinkercad, and you're going to make sure that all of those things from that third slide make it on your manor, all right? And there's a couple different ways. I'll show you the examples that we have so far. Maybe. Here it is, I think. There we go. All right, so there's a couple different ways. You can use realistic drawings, you can use clip art, you can use just shapes, you can use a combination of all of those things to make your manor map, right? But I do want to show you my example, if it ever loads. There we go. All right, so for the examples, I can't take credit for these, Mrs. Gibb made them, but for the example, you can see that she did one with realistic drawings. So this is the road that's going through the manor. Her castle would be in the northwest corner. Her river is in the northeast, and she's picked all realistic pictures to make her manor map. You also, and then she made her key to show what each of these things stand for. You also could do this with shapes, like I was kind of showing you with shapes and clip art, and you can do your bird's eye view using, your different shapes, your different animals, and your different designs, all right? And then there's the key for that one. So you kind of get a feel for what it looks like. So today, really, you're going to be making your manor map. I think that's about as far as you're going to get. Then when you're done, like I said, you're going to download it, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to paste it or insert it on every single slide. And then you're going to point to whatever this slide is about and answer the questions. All right, so I'm pointing to castle because this slide is about castle, and I'm going to answer the questions about the castle on my manor. Then I'm going to go to village. I'm going to circle the village on my manor and then answer the questions there. All right, so remember that you're going to have all of today, all of tomorrow, and part of Thursday to complete this, right? But it's kind of a multi-step assignment. You need to make your map first, all right? Then download it, insert it on all your slides, and then start locating each piece and answering the questions. All right, guys, if you need any help, you can always join the Google Meet during your class time, or you can email me and ask any questions that you have. Hope you have fun with this project, and I will see you real soon. Have a great day.